What if I told you that the strength of your future doesn't begin with some dramatic overhaul or a life-changing event? It begins with the tiny, almost invisible choices you make today. What if I told you that every step you take, every bite you choose, every moment of movement or stillness is literally shaping the structure of your bones? Because it is. Your bones are not static. They are alive. They are listening. And they are constantly remodeling themselves based on how you live your daily life. We talk so much about mindset, motivation, hustle, but none of it matters if your foundation can't carry you. Strong bones are not just a health goal. They are a declaration of self-respect. They are the silent architecture that supports every dream you chase, every challenge you face. And the truth is, you don't need a gym membership, fancy supplements, or hours of training. You need consistency, intention, and the courage to choose habits that push you slightly out of comfort and into growth. So tomorrow morning, when you step into the sunlight for 5 minutes, think of it as your bones drinking in strength. When you choose a walk instead of scrolling, know that you're reinforcing the pillars that hold you upright. When you reach for calcium-rich foods, protein, or vitamin D sources, remind yourself you're feeding your resilience, not your cravings. When you pick up something with weight, your bag, your body, anything that challenges your muscles, you are telling your bones, build, adapt, grow. And yes, it's uncomfortable. Your bones thrive on discomfort. They were designed to respond to stress, to rebuild when challenged, to strengthen under pressure. Every squat, every stretch, every step is a signal to your body we are choosing strength. But every hour of sitting, every skipped meal, every choice of convenience over care sends the opposite message. We are choosing decay. You deserve better than decay. You deserve a body that carries you with power. You deserve bones that will not fail you when life demands more. And the incredible thing is that you already have everything you need. Because bone health is built in the small moments, the daily habits that seem meaningless but accumulate into a fortress over time. Every day is a chance to shape yourself. Every choice is a message to your biology. And your bones, right now, are ready to grow stronger the moment you decide to move, nourish, and challenge them. Today, choose strength. Today, choose vitality. Today, choose habits that build the unshakable foundation your life deserves. Stress is not the enemy in the right dose. It is the signal your bones have been waiting for. Your skeleton is alive, dynamic, constantly remodeling itself, responding to every choice you make throughout the day. When you move with intention, when you walk, lift, stretch, or challenge your body, your bones wake up. They sense the pressure, the tension, the impact, and they begin rebuilding themselves stronger than they were yesterday. This is how strength is created. Not by avoiding discomfort, but by stepping into it deliberately. Every moment of controlled stress tells your biology, we need to grow, we need to fortify. But when you stay still, when you collapse into convenience, when you let comfort swallow your day, your bones receive the opposite message. They slowly weaken because they no longer see a reason to adapt. Your bones don't thrive under protection, they thrive under healthy challenge. The stress that feels uncomfortable for a moment becomes resilience that lasts for decades. By choosing movement over stagnation, resistance over ease, and action over avoidance, you're not just strengthening your bones, you're strengthening your entire future. Strength isn't built in dramatic bursts of motivation. It's built in the quiet, repeated choices you make every single day. Your bones don't care about perfection. They care about consistency. When you step outside for a few minutes of morning sunlight, you're giving your body the signal to activate vitamin D and support calcium absorption. When you take a short walk, even 10 minutes, you're telling your bones, stay strong, stay active, keep building. Choosing protein and nutrient-dense foods isn't just fueling your muscles, it's feeding the very structure that holds you up. Swapping an hour of sitting for a few minutes of standing or stretching seems insignificant, but to your bones, it's a powerful cue to stay dense and resilient. These habits are tiny, almost invisible in the moment, yet they compound with incredible force over time. Your future body will not be shaped by what you do once in a while, but by what you commit to every day. Every small action reinforces a foundation of stability and vitality. These micro-habits are your investment in long-term strength. And with each day, our bones are not passive structures. They are living tissue that responds directly to what you put into your body. Every meal, every snack, every choice of nourishment sends a signal, either build or break down. When you consume ultra-processed foods, sugar, and empty calories, your bones and your entire body receive a message of neglect. But when you choose real, nutrient-dense foods rich in calcium, magnesium, protein, and vitamins, you are telling your biology that it is worth protecting, worth strengthening, and worth investing in. Nourishment is more than fuel. It is a declaration of self-respect. And it's not just about food. Sleep, hydration, and mindful recovery are part of the same equation. Your bones thrive when you give them what they need to adapt, recover, and grow. Each intentional act of care, preparing a balanced meal, prioritizing rest, moving your body with purpose, accumulates into real, lasting strength. The more consistently you feed and nurture yourself, the stronger, more resilient, and more unshakable you become. Your bones mirror the choices you make today. And through deliberate, sustained care, you build not just a body that survives, but one that thrives. Why? That you choose them, your bones and your life grow stronger.